What if you could carry a giant movie theater in your backpack? Imagine watching your favorite movies, YouTube videos, or even playing games on what feels like a massive 100-inch virtual screen without carrying a TV or projector. Today, we're reviewing the AI08PRO 3D smart glasses, a wearable display that promises a private IMAX-size viewing experience for your smartphone, PC, and other compatible devices. But can these smart glasses really replace your TV or portable monitor? Let's find out.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love futuristic gadgets, smart devices, drones, cameras, and innovative technology, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's put on these smart glasses and see what they're all about. The first thing you'll notice is that these glasses look much more compact than traditional VR headsets. Instead of a large, bulky design, the AI08PRO is built to be lighter and more comfortable for extended viewing sessions. The soft magnetic sponge face cushion helps block outside light while improving comfort. Inside the package, you'll find the AI08PRO smart glasses, a screen mirroring adapter, connection cable, charging cable, lens cleaning cloth, user manual. Everything you need to get started is included.
This is one of the most important things to understand. Unlike standalone VR headsets, these glasses don't generate their own virtual world. Instead, they mirror the screen of a compatible smartphone, laptop, PC, or other supported device. Depending on your setup, they can work with technologies such as HDMI output, USB Type-C video output, Miracast, DLNA, AirPlay. This means whatever appears on your compatible device can appear inside the glasses. You can watch movies, browse YouTube, play compatible games, or even use them as a private portable display while traveling.
The biggest selling point is the virtual screen. The manufacturer advertises an experience comparable to watching a giant screen from several meters away. Instead of staring at a small phone display, your content appears much larger inside the headset. Whether you're on an airplane, at home, in a hotel, or commuting, the experience feels far more immersive than simply holding your phone. For people who enjoy binge-watching movies, this can be a very appealing feature.
The AI08PRO uses two individual microdisplays. Key specifications include 1600 by 1600 resolution per display, 60 Hz refresh rate, approximately 68.8 degree field of view, and high pixel density exceeding 1000 ppi. The result is a sharp viewing experience with minimal visible pixels at normal viewing distance. While the refresh rate is 60 Hz rather than 90 Hz or 120 Hz, it's perfectly suitable for watching movies, YouTube videos, presentations, and many casual gaming sessions.
One feature many users will appreciate is built-in focus adjustment. The glasses support approximately 0 to 700 degrees of myopia adjustment. That means many people with nearsighted vision may be able to use the headset comfortably without wearing prescription glasses underneath. It's a small feature that can make a huge difference during long viewing sessions. Another interesting feature is support for both 2D and compatible 3D viewing modes. There's a dedicated button for switching between modes. It's important to remember that the experience depends on the content you're watching and how it's formatted. For regular videos, you'll mainly be using the standard 2D viewing mode. The glasses include a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. This allows you to connect your favorite wired headphones for a more immersive, private cinema experience. Using headphones also helps reduce distractions when watching movies in public places, like airplanes or trains. The included screen mirroring unit contains a built-in 4,000 milliamp battery. According to the manufacturer, it can provide roughly 4 to 5 hours of operation. That's enough for several movies or an extended gaming session before needing to recharge.
Charging is handled through a modern USB Type-C connection.
These smart glasses are ideal for movie lovers, frequent travelers, students, remote workers, gamers who enjoy a larger display, people wanting a private viewing experience. They're especially useful when carrying a laptop monitor or portable TV simply isn't practical.
Let's summarize the advantages. Large virtual viewing experience, compact and portable, sharp dual display design, supports multiple compatible devices, adjustable focus for many users, comfortable magnetic face cushion, USB Type-C connectivity, 4 to 5 hour battery life, 3.5mm headphone support, great for travel and entertainment.
There are a few things to keep in mind. This is not a standalone VR gaming headset. Performance depends on your connected device. Not every smartphone supports video output. Some phones may require additional adapters. The 60 Hz refresh rate may not satisfy users seeking high-refresh competitive gaming.
Overall, the AI08PRO 3D smart glasses are better described as a wearable private display than a traditional VR headset. If your goal is to enjoy movies, YouTube, streaming services, presentations, or compatible games on a giant virtual screen without carrying a projector or monitor, these glasses offer an interesting solution. The compact design, adjustable focus, comfortable fit, wired connectivity, and large virtual viewing experience make them a compelling gadget for travelers and entertainment enthusiasts.
Just remember to verify that your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or PC supports the required video output before purchasing. So, what do you think? Would you watch movies on a virtual 100-inch screen while traveling? Or would you still prefer a traditional tablet or laptop? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.